Good afternoon. Welcome to Arashiyama Bamboo Forest. The name says it all. It's a forest full of bamboos.
And remember when we said we were going to cycle today? Well, that didn't happen. When we woke up, all the bicycles in our hotel were rented, so we had to take the train.
The early bird always gets the worm. Does he bite?
No.
No? So cute. Look at him. Hey, buddy, buddy, buddy. Meerkat. He's even got a ladybird's costume. We came down to this park. There's the river with some boats, but the best is that little meerkat. Cristiano loves animals, as everybody knows.
They're making strange noises.
Yeah. With that ladybird costume. So funny.
Good morning. So today is the morning after. Yesterday we didn't film much.
No, we just wandered around the bamboo forest. There was not much to film.
So yeah, that was our day yesterday, and today we had planned to go to Osaka. We were woken up at 8 o'clock by a massive earthquake. We were watching the news and several people died in Osaka.
Yeah.
And that's where we have planned to go today.
Are reportedly experiencing power shortages, and another 100,000 are without gas.
Yeah, the whole place here shook so much.
Yeah.
I panicked a little bit because we're not used to this. We know that in Japan it
happens very often, so we woke up a bit. What's going on?
The whole place was shaking so much. Oh.
And it actually was like about 2 minutes shaking.
Yeah. So we're heading out to Kyoto station, buy a ticket over there. Well, try and buy a ticket. Everything should be
working.
No, yeah. People queuing up, get the bus. Look how long this is. Jeez. Crazy. So unfortunately there are no transports down to Osaka. We have to stay here for another night.
Yeah, we are on a hunt for accommodation for tonight. Unfortunately, the earthquake was
quite big.
It was quite big, yeah. People died in Osaka. Here was just nothing happened. It was just shaking.
Yeah, it was quite strong. And in Osaka, it was magnitudes. It was 6.1.
Yeah. So it was quite big over there. People died. A few things got destroyed. But here was nothing. I don't think nothing major happened here.
So hopefully everything will be running by tomorrow morning, so we can go to Osaka.
Yeah.
and let's see if we can find accommodation. Christian just found a room 800 meters
from the station.
So we're gonna have a look.
Should be this one.
This one. Hello, hello.
Is it this one? No.
No?
Ah, bushy.
Oh, it's over there. It was just on the other side of the road. Bushy. Hello.
Do you have rooms for tonight?
Tonight? Okay.
Yeah, there was an earthquake in Osaka.
Yes, and this is in the morning, right?
Yeah.
Tuesday.
We just checked in and it feels like we are in the property that we just checked out before.
Exactly the same. Washing
Exactly
machine,
the same.
microwave, even the toilets. Look, high-tech toilets. The bathroom with that screen TV. Just the bedroom's a bit different and smaller, but we are.
Very much the same.
Yeah. It looks like we never left.
So it seems like we're gonna stay here another night. We're not sure what to do today. Maybe get on with the videos and the editing of the pictures.
And hope for tomorrow the trains are running so we can go to Osaka.
Yeah.
Because the next day we're leaving. We're heading to the airport the next day.
Hopefully everything will be working as normal.
Yeah.
So this is it from us.
And hopefully we will see you guys in Osaka. Goodbye!
Good vibrations.